Have you ever wondered how to make graph animations? In this quick CapCut tutorial, I'll show you how to create smooth, eye-catching exponential graph animation, perfect for Reels, TikToks, or presentations. Let's do it! Alright, so I've already dropped a few graphics into CapCut, and I will leave you a link to download everything too. First things first, we need a background. Just head over to background section and pick this one. Since this is a video, we're gonna hit that freeze icon and delete the right side. We don't need it. Then just stretch the clip to the 5-second mark. Now go back to your imports and start dragging all the elements onto the timeline, one on top of the other. Then click on the blue background, go to Adjust, and darken it a bit so the graph stands out more. Next, highlight all the columns except the arrow. Go to Video Settings and drop down the opacity to 50%. You will see why later on. Now let's add the text element. Go to Text, add some text, stretch it to the end of the timeline, and just type a dot. Make it bigger and place it in the start of the arrow. Scroll down and add a glow effect. Pick the second glow style and set the settings to 40 and 90. Then hit keyframe button under the transform. Move your playhead to the end of the timeline. Move the dot to the end of the arrow and scale it up. Something like 300 should be good. Jump to the middle of the timeline, right click, choose Show Variable Speed Animations, and select the Y-axis. Then highlight the last keyframe, click Auto Curve, and drag the handle down like this. Now go back to the middle so you can line up the dot with the arrow path. You'll see the dot is now moving right along the arrow. Next, select the first column. On the right, hit the keyframe button on opacity. Remember, we set it to 50% earlier. Slide the playhead so the dot is over the center of the first column. Then bump the opacity up to 100%. Move forward until the dot reaches the end of that column and drop the opacity back to 50%. Now if you play it back, you'll see that the column lights up when the dot passes over it. Do the same thing for each column. But if you want the columns to stay lit after the dot passes, just leave the opacity at 100% instead of dropping it back down. Now let me show you another option using an arrow mask. Select the arrow and turn it into a compound clip. Then go to Mask, hit Add Mask and choose the split type. Rotate the mask to -90 degrees and set the feather to 40. Move the mask over to the dot, then hit the keyframe button under the mask settings. Move the playhead forward and drag the mask along with it. CapCut will auto-create keyframes. You can also rotate the mask slightly as it moves. Once you're done, you'll have a clean, smooth graph animation.